Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of probability and statistics. The first one is what is probability? The study of randomness and uncertainty, how likely events are to happen. It calculates the likelihood of outcomes in games. For example, a dice roll, 1 by 6 chance for any number, that is called the probability. Next one is what is statistics? The science of collecting, analyzing and interpreting data is called the statistics. They are used to understand player behaviors and improve games. For example, analyzing which character is most chosen in a game. This is called the statistics. The next one is area of application. Fields where probability and statistics are used. They are AI, random events, procedural content, player data analysis. For example, generating random maps in Minecraft. The next one is real world example. That means actual use cases. Many famous games depend heavily on this concept. The next one, random experiment. That is an action with uncertain outcomes. Explanation is in game actions like shooting an arrow may succeed or fail. For example, opening a treasure chest. This is called the random experiment. Next one is sample space. Set of all possible outcomes is a sample space. It helps define all results a random event could produce. For example, dice roll sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called the sample space. Next one is event. A subset of the sample space is called an event and specific outcome or group of outcomes. It is explained that is, for example, rolling an event number. The next one is probability of an event. A measure between 0 and 1 of event likelihood is called the probability of an event. It is closer to 1 is equal to more likely to occur. For example, 0.5 probability for rolling even on a die. The next one is conditional probability. Probability of one event given another has occurred is called the conditional probability. How likely something is based on prior information. For example, probability of getting a rare drop if your boss is defeated. The last one is independent event. Event that don't affect each other. That is, the outcome of one does not change the probability of another. For example, rolling 2 dice. Thank you.